Never gets old, man. Never gets old. Blessings. Totally forgot my windshield cracked. Man, that's so ugly to look at. Hurts my soul. Let's get this day started, guys. It's time to start this bad boy up. Oh! I think that the weather's getting a little warmer now. She's cooperating with me. What is happening, guys? We got another beautiful day here, man. Finally, the weather is getting pretty damn nice. California's actually been getting a lot of rain recently, man. It's different. Oh look, we got a little car meet. But yeah, man, Cali's been getting some like really cold weather, like a lot of rain. It's crazy. It's a little abnormal. As you can say, global warming, or like the conspiracy theorist. Man-made weather, man-made snow. But yeah, man, nothing too crazy today, guys. I'm gonna be linking up with Jay Cray. Some of you guys might know him, some of you guys might not know him. He's had a few crazy builds, but he does like videography, and he's really good with audio and stuff. So I'm gonna be linking up with him to get some audio for a video that I shot recently. We got a super sick video coming, so I'm excited for that. I'm gonna switch to the GoPro real quick because I'm lazy. It's been a minute since you guys seen the GoPro, huh? Fire. I know, the GoPro quality is awesome, it's great. I just hate like wearing this thing on my head all the time. I just look stupid as hell. Especially like with the windows down, bro. You look dumb as hell like wearing this thing on my head. I got about an hour drive to go link up with him. I think we're gonna go to Angeles Crest Highway and get these videos cracking. Right here. He's like straight up admiring the car, bro. Thank you, man. Thank you. Ah, shit. I might need some 85 soon. I got a little over half a tank. But, bro, my OCD is killing me with this crack in the windshield, bro. Like, oh, look. You get admired. Looks like we got some traffic coming up, so that's not much of fun to record. I'll holler at you guys when we get a little bit closer. Alright guys, we here. I'm my boy the Breezy over here. Yeah, alright, with the M Thrizzle. I ain't got no Tombe though. I always like the E92s. I'm surprised I never bought one. I was just like, I don't want to buy older BMW. I don't want them damn problems. So I hopped in my M2, got out of it real quick, you know? But man, look at that GTR. Using my beef jerky to cover up my crack, so it's not too noticeable, you know? That shit is fire, man. Beef jerky hits. Hits different. Getting set up over here. Sheesh. Got that real deal equipment going on. Crazy, all this for audio. So we got a mic inside the engine bay to get the whoosh, you know what I'm saying? And it cracking. Yeah, look at that. Set up. Huge ass trunk. Carbon fiber. Carbon fiber. Here. This thing's so clean, man. Every day, fall in love with it all over again. Never gets old. Just look at the interior, bro. It's so perfect. I'm just real jealous at the overseas spec. I'm not sure if it's just like UK or Australia. The whole back of it's carbon fiber. It kind of looks like the new M4 seats. So I'm a little bit jealous at that. I don't know why US Nismos didn't get those seats, but whatever. These are cool though, but they're literally just like the stock ones. They just put Nismo and then did red stitching and, you know, the two-tone, but Yeah, it would have been nice to get those other seats, bro. It makes the interior that much better. Because everything else is perfect. I love it. The tack, the wheel. Everyone's asking me if I'm going to go carbon wheel, but I'm like, nah, bro. I already got the Alcantara, man. I can't get rid of this wheel, bro. If anything, maybe carbon fiber right here. That'd be sick. But that's about it. Be nice to have this carbon, this carbon. So future plans, maybe, when I get bored. But for the most part, I'm happy. I just need to get some new rotors. Debating on a hood later, I'm not sure. I was thinking of going carbon hood and then taking the wrap off the fender so I can have full carbon exposed hood and fenders, kind of like my Q50 vibes, but I'm not sure. I kind of like it like this because it looks more like 2020. So I don't know, I might just keep it like this. So far, front end's holding up, you know, it's all protected. It looks really good. It's clean. I hear a tow mason somewhere over there. What the? Normal driving is kind of like whatever's, but once you take it into a turn, it's just like you don't even feel it really. It's solid, man. I love them, and I'm kind of like a little low too in the front. It's pretty slam. Yeah. So if I took some of the camber out, it might feel better.
Have you tried this at the track?
I haven't been to the track yet.
Holy shit.
I know, man. It's ready for it. What do you think, like Willow or?
Does he have good brakes?
Yeah. Alright guys, we're wrapping it up here. Luckily we didn't get pulled over. I actually passed a few cops through the canyons, being a little loud and going a little bit too fast, but I think they saw the car. They were like, you know what? We're gonna let them slide. It's nice.
Chupapi.
I need to do a collab with Mr. Muyeno himself. Imagine him doing a launch in the GTR. Muyeno! That should be classic. What's up, guys? We back here with the Zaylee. Man, what is good with these gas prices though? What is good, Biden? What's happening, my boy? He's like, I'm gonna give y'all that 1400, but you gonna spend it in gas. I'm gonna lie though, the daily do be clean. Sauce factory. I miss my GoPro, man. I'm not gonna lie. I lost my little stick, so just don't like holding this thing free-handed. How much you guys think it's gonna take? I'm gonna say 60 bucks. Say $58, $60. So I've been loving that GTR, man. That E85. Hey, man, real quick. You see how loud that shit is? Why do they give us exhaust tickets, but them loud-ass Harleys don't ever get pulled over? Like, can someone explain that to me? That's how you know the system is bullshit, bro. Them Harley dudes be flying through a neighborhood like 3 in the morning. Like, come on, dog. But yeah, I mean, I would go E85 on this, but like I said, I'm trying to keep it kind of stock right now. Stock cats. Like, I don't really want to put test pipes and do fill pumps, injectors, and tune it on E. Like, yeah, I'm gonna spend less money in gas, but look at that, I was on point. Isn't it crazy being an adult? Remember 60 bucks, bro? That was like Grand Theft Auto Vice City when you were a kid, you know what I'm saying? Boy, be saving up for a whole year for that game, and now we spend that shit on 1 tank of gas. Ain't that a bitch? But let's get a clean walk around real quick. Shit. Clean, man. I love these damn wheels, bro. These wheels are so sick. Meister gang forever. I gotta fix this door. I think there's like a loose bolt in like the window regulator, because look at my window, bro. It's like scratching my new tint. And it's like every time I close it, it just sounds stupid. Like, oh, peep this vibe though. Peep this vibe, man. I love this, bro. I ain't gonna lie. That shit is hard. That shit hard. We knocked out the audio for the video earlier, so everything's good on that part. What's up, man? What's up, bro?
Dude, I've seen you before.
What's up, man?
How you doing, man?
Chilling, bro, chilling. It's another day.
Dude, it's so fucking badass.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Can I take a picture with it?
Yeah, of course.
Fuck yeah.
Crazy, bro. Look, I've been here for 10 minutes. I got spotted twice. My boy pulled up on the skateboard on me.
Oh, yeah, thank you.
No worries, man. Take care.
Bro.
You too. Love, man. Love, bro. Like, literally, I was just, as soon as I pulled up, there was another guy that pulled up like, that, tell me, dog. Shit is crazy. I keep that cuete on me, man. You never know. But no, it's all love, bro. Like, I've never had one person ever come up to me and ever say anything negative. All these people online got Twitter fingers, man. But it's all love, bro. I mean, like at the end of the day, bro, if you spread positivity, like, you're gonna get that same energy back. You know what I'm saying? If you're online just being stupid and you talk shit to everybody and you're a dick, you're gonna get that same energy back in person. But you know, I'm cool with everybody. At the end of the day, man, you respect me, I respect you. That's what it is, man. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. You guys already know I got content coming, man. It's like a movie every day, bro. I'm always like on the move. I always have some shit to do. Update on the S15 real soon. He's done with both of the manifolds. I think he's waiting on like a flange or something so he can start all the piping. But yeah, stay tuned, guys. Appreciate you for tuning in. Drop a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Catch you guys in the next video. I'm out.